Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about a really cool AI technology called ChatGPT. In this tutorial, you are going to learn all about what ChatGPT is, how it works, and most importantly for teacher, professional, and students. What is ChatGPT? How does it work? How can it boost your productivity? If you're new here, make sure to subscribe that you never miss the video. Let me tell you, ChatGPT is game changer. You do not want to miss out. Don't take my words for it. Just watch this video for yourself. It released in November 2022 and gained 1 million users in just 5 days. In comparison it to Facebook 10 months and Instagram 2.5 months to get the same number of users. ChatGPT is an advanced language model that can understand and generate text. You can use it to create content for your website, write articles, emails, tweets, cover letters, and so on. You can use it to generate code in a number of different programming languages. It can also prepare you for job interview. You can have it improve your resume. You can use it to generate dummy data, write unit tests, translate tests, and code from one language to another. If there is a piece of question you do not understand, you can ask it and it will explain to you like a patient teacher. But I have to be honest, sometimes it explains too much. ChatGPT also help you learn and remember things faster. For example, you can give it to some text and ask you a bunch of questions. Once a language model has learned about a language, it can then be used to generate text in that language. ChatGPT 3 models which are designed to understand and generate natural language like English and codecs, which are specifically trained to understand and generate code that is physically available on GIT Hub. It may generate incorrect, harmful, or biased information. It is whether you like or not that GTP is here to stay. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use it to get more creative and get things done a lot faster. I will show you various examples for different questions. You can log in by chat.openai.com. You will reach to the login page. Here is the option for sign up or login. If you have account, go to login account, or you can sign up to create new account. This is the dashboard of the ChatGPT. Here are three options. It's clearly mentioned examples, capabilities, and limitation of this ChatGPT. In the examples that you can explain quantum computing in simple terms. The limitation, the limited knowledge of the world and event after 2021. Let's put our first question. What is the procurement? And we'll see that how ChatGPT will respond. Have you noticed this is just trying to understand the language and is writing as text is the answer. Procurement is the process of acquiring goods, works, or services from external source. Whatever the question will be asked from the ChatGPT, it will explain in detail to make sure that the audience is understanding the answer. It is promptly answered from the ChatGPT in text format. So this is the ChatGPT which responds promptly by texting as like human. Let's ask another question. Write a poem for me. No is understanding the language and will start writing the answer. Of procurement, a tale I will tell, the process of acquiring wealth, from finding goods and work with care to secure what an organization will share. It's writing the beautiful poem on the procurement. Since my login and everything is related to procurement and giving me the answer in procurement, and also it understanding the language what I'm asking as a procurement, so it's giving me the all stories in the procurement. So let's take another example and ask it to write an essay on my best friend. Let's see how it will respond and what will be the answer from the ChatGPT. ChatGPT is understanding the question and it starts writing the essay on my best friend, and you will see that it will write exactly the essay and it will write very authentic essay on my best friend. Guys, this is the ChatGPT 3 which is launched and rapidly increase and build the interest all the users, and that's the reason that ChatGPT gained 1 million users within 5 days. ChatGPT is spreading like a storm in the internet world. ChatGPT is developed by the artificial intelligence technology by OpenAI. ChatGPT is called Generative Pre-trained Transformer. This model also integrated into various applications such as chatbots, virtual assistant, and customer service system to provide quick and accurate answer to user queries. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech and artificial intelligence content. See you next time.